Hey guys, this is Sonic 2D Blast Dude here. I am on the Brooklyn-bound N Express train. We already left 34th Street, Herald Square. This next stop is going to be 14th Street, Union Square. Right now, there's a process of helping some people get to 36th Street in Brooklyn. Okay, we are now leaving Canal Street. That means the next stop is Atlantic Avenue Barclays Center. We're leaving Manhattan and entering Brooklyn. Okay, we are now in Brooklyn and leaving Atlantic Avenue Barclays Center. The next stop is 36th Street. Alright, this is 36th Street.
Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 2D Blast Dude. I'll see you next time.